Hey, one of the secrets to getting a concept locked under your fingers in your brain, learn the neck, is to play in all 12 keys. You've heard it before. I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to do that. It works with all sorts of different stuff, and you can learn the neck at the same time. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. If you want a supplemental guide for this video, click the link below. Let's say you're just learning triads, your major triad shape. Well, you can take that triad shape and then move it throughout the circle of force like this. But if you really want to get that into your brain, right, and reinforce not only is this a triad shape, but also learn your neck at the same time, call out the keys. C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, C. Think about it as compound movements. If you're doing this, you're getting that shape, you're getting the sound, you're getting the root third, fifth, root third, fifth, root third, fifth. You might as well learn the neck at the same time. C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, and so on. Compound movements. Do it all at the same time. When you see it, say it, okay? And then start trying to find where these things are on, let's say, one string. C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, C. That was all the roots starting from one string. Maybe I had to think about it for just a second, but that's okay. Slow down. Do the same thing on all strings. Call them out. I guarantee that will do wonders from taking you from one place to on the bass to the next place. If you dug this video and I've earned your subscribe, do me a favor, go on and hit that subscribe button. Up there is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. There's a playlist that I think you should check out. And of course, that subscribe button down in that corner right there. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Two fingers.